No.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I have a different video for you guys. Before we get started, my name is Marisol. So today I would like to start a new series in this channel, and it's gonna be about makeup. I'll be posting normal videos as well, but then I wanted also to change it up a little bit, and that's why I'm starting this series. And this series like a challenge because I will have to use what I have here. I'm not gonna go out there and buy any more makeup. I kind of want to use what I have and see what we come up with. And as you guys saw in the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing colorful makeup looks, and my guide would be Crayola colored pencils. So we're gonna be using the back as a guide. So we're gonna be doing red, orange, yellow, green, sky blue, purple, black, brown, and white. So it's gonna be 12 in total. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to try something different, and I thought it would be a good idea using like a guidance. I'm not a typical person that likes to use colorful looks. I sometimes do pink or yellow, but that's like oof sometimes. I actually did a video where I used blue. That was like my first time using blue, and yeah, so I kind of liked it, and I just wanted to try something different using my makeup collection, because before getting it bigger, I kind of want to use what I have. And yeah, we're gonna get started. We're gonna get started with the red. So we have red here. This red looks like this. So this is a color. So we're gonna be using this. So looking through my palettes, I had these that have like at least one shadow that's kind of red. So the Wet and Wild one. But that shade right there is kind of a good color. We have this color right here. It's also kind of dark. This color right here. I have this one, but this one's more like purple. And this one, but this one's more dark. So I think I'm going to go with this one. This one's more like a true red color. And I'm also going to be using the Brimex by Shannon and BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to start with this color right here. I'm going to prime my lids first using this Angel Eyes by Luskius. I don't know how to say that. And did I mention that I'm gonna be applying lashes today, because for some reason my lashes are falling off, as well as my hair, and I just feel like it's the medicine I'm taking for my colitis, but it's scary. Okay, so my eyeshadow primer is on. We're gonna go in with this color right here. And I actually did my face already. I kind of don't like full coverage. That's why it's like you guys could see all my freckles. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this color now. I'm just gonna look over here because I have a mirror over here. And yeah. I usually don't put my foundation first. I always try to do my eyes first and then my foundation. I don't know why, I just like that better. So it's kind of new for me to put my foundation first and then do my eyes. And by the way, I didn't mention it in the beginning, but I'm not a makeup artist and I'm not a professional, and I'm not even good at it. I'm just learning as I go. Okay, to make it more intense and more red, I have this e.l.f. red lipstick in the color Ruby Red. And then I have this Joa Infinite Kiss, and it's a stained liquid lipstick, and the color is Snog, and it just looks like this. And then I have this one that looks like this. Looks like that. They both look like that. Which one looks more true-ish? So I think I'm just gonna use this one. What do I do though? Do I do like a crease or a line? So I think I'm just gonna do a liner, red liner. I think to make it more intense, I'm gonna be using this. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So now let me do the other eye and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is as good as it's gonna get. It was a struggle to get it like that. And they just look like that. All messed up, I know. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the red. I'm just gonna add a little bit more in the sides and then all over my lid. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna add a little bit on the bottom. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add a little bit of liner. And I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. one. I think it's e.l.f. Super old. That's why I need to use it up. I just don't like wearing eyeliner. I feel like it's so messy. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes really quick. Okay, so now for lashes, I have these AOA brand from Shop Miss A, and they look like that. But I also have some like used ones, and since I'm not like I don't use them a lot, maybe I could just use one of these. Today I'm just gonna use these, and I'm just gonna use the dual glue. Is that good? What do you think? No, let me try the other one. Okay, I did it, but one's poking me, and I don't think I put it right. To finish up, I'm just gonna add a little bit of glow in my inners and by my eyebrows. And I'm just using this one right here. I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara. It's the Ciate Wonder Wand mascara. So now for lips, I'm just gonna go with the red lip as well. So I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. No. Look at what happened to it. I'm still gonna use it. I think it's melting, that's why. Time to get a new one. So I have this red Beauty Benefit liquid lipstick. What's a liquid lipstick? I thought it was a lip gloss. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm done with this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I did. I feel like it's nice to try things out because look, I have lashes on. Like, what? I think with the better makeup, like better foundation, better covered everything, better bronzer, better contour, better blush, it will look super nice. But well, thank you so much for watching this video. This is what it turned out before I leave. This is what it looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you in my next colorful look, which is gonna be a red orange. Those colors. Take care and bye.